Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are using Firefox, there's been a update for the web browser Firefox. A very small update, but an important update. Some people were complaining of blank pages or black pages at startup on Windows, and apparently since the Patch Tuesday updates, so Firefox issued a fix for that. And if you're on a Mac, apparently there were some crashes, regular crashes of Firefox browser. So on the Mac computer, they also have updated the Firefox browser if you're using it on a Mac. So it's a small update. If you go on the upper right corner, the hamburger menu, you go into Help and to About Firefox. You're going to be updated to 1.11.0.1. So a very small update. Fixes, as I was saying, a bug that makes the Firefox browser not open or freeze in Windows and crash in the Mac computer. There's absolutely no security updates in here, so that is not the case. And for the rest, it should be normally working well. So if you're using Firefox, apply this little update. It should, of course, do it automatically if you are using Firefox every day. But if you're just using it from time to time, that could be the fix. And if you've had some issues, some problems, I don't see that many people that have reported, but there are some people that have reported the issue. And Mozilla did say that, yeah, okay, we do see that problem happening. So it's small increment, but it's an update that fixes serious issues with Firefox. It's interesting that the one on Windows is actually happened after the Patch Tuesday, but it's Firefox that actually did a fix for it. So I guess it's more of a Firefox thing, but it's interesting to see that it was not doing it before Patch Tuesday arrived. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.